Okay, so molar mass for the elements, we just pick off the periodic table. Now molar mass for the compounds, we're actually going to go ahead and do a couple of examples. And your hint down here is do something that you did before. We're going to use the periodic table, for instance, for ethane. We're going to use the decimal number for carbon, take it times 2, plus the decimal number for hydrogen, times 6. We're going to add all that together, and we actually are, before what we got was the weight, molecular weight, and that was in units of U, but we're going to change those units of U to units of grams per mole. That's it. So let's take a look. So we're going to knock it out for ethane. So we have periodic tables handy. And so we know the formula for ethane has 2 carbons, so we'll take 2 times the decimal number for carbon, plus 6 times the decimal number for hydrogen, okay? And that gives us a number, and we're going to go with 2 decimals. That's what we're allowed. So, you know, again, I'm not going to be too picky about what you write down. But so that means the whole thing added together is 30.07. That's the number you get. And since this is a molar mass problem, units are going to be grams per mole. Hope that works for you. All right, let's do one more example. Again, you work them just the same as coming up the weight of a molecule, but instead of AMUs, the units are grams per mole. Let's do ammonium chloride. So we need the decimal number for nitrogen, hydrogen, and chlorine. So starting with nitrogen, the decimal number is 14.01, and I usually say times 1 because I only have one nitrogen atom, plus 4 times the decimal number for hydrogen, which is 1.008, plus 1 times the decimal number for chlorine, which is 35.45. So we're going to give ourselves 2 decimals, and our calculator displays 53.49. And since this is a molar mass or mass per mole, then this is units are grams per mole. Molar mass, grams per mole. So here's one for you to do. So you'll need your periodic table. This is a video quiz. And look up the decimal number for sodium, decimal number for sodium, decimal number for hydrogen, decimal number for carbon, and decimal number for oxygen. And on your test, don't forget, just a quick reminder, always show all of your work. But on the video quiz, that would be hard to do.